Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial about the online simulator for robotics called OpenLabRoberta Lab. Really easy to use software. Students are going to really enjoy this simple interface and being able to program and test their robots. Now, as you can see, when you load the website up, lots of robot types that you can choose from. We'll pick one in a minute. On the bottom left, you've got Take a Tour. On the bottom right, you've got the wiki space, which has a lot more information in about different parts of the website. So we're going to get started. I'm going to choose my robot, which is an Ev3. And I get to choose the type of version that we're up to, which is, I'm going to choose the 8.0, which is the middle one at the top. And here you can see a very simple programming interface with blocks. Probably familiar with this from scratch. Along the top you've got some menu options, so you can open new files, new programs, you can get example programs, and more importantly you can also export and import your programs. You've also got a menu option to change the bot. Notice here you've got the option to connect to a real robot, so if students do have programs and the robots available, they can actually connect them together. You've got some help here. You've got the ability to set up a username and login with an email address. Some tutorials. A gallery of people who have shared their programs online. And right at the end you can change the language. So just to show you how easy this is, got a block-based language here in the middle of the screen. That's the main programming environment. On the right hand side you've got these grey tabs. They perform various functions, but the one we're interested in is the simulator, which says sim, and once you click on it, it opens up a virtual world with a robot in the middle. As you can see, I'm waving that about. You can click and drag that anywhere you want on that virtual world. There are buttons at the bottom of this simulator. So we've got the play button, which will execute your program. At the minute it doesn't do anything. You've then got an image which changes the background. Lots of backgrounds to choose from. You've also got the Ev3 Brick. Again, we're not going to do anything with that, but it's there available. The one in the middle there is a really useful one because it senses different inputs and also gives you the position of the robot at any given time. So it's really good for precision and also to show measurements and how the sensor reads data. And then we've got the reset button. We've also got an option to upload programs and upload other images into the background. So let's say, for example, you're doing a unit all about the UAE. You might want to upload a picture of a map of the UAE and then get your students to navigate around different parts of the UAE. And then right at the end we've got this debugging option, which I would avoid for now. Okay, so there you go, a really super easy interface, nice and easy to simulate your robots. I'm just going to do a very basic program on the left, so I'm going to click the simulator tab to make it disappear again. And then on the left hand side I've got lots of options for my programs. I'm going to click the actions button. I'm going to click the drive forward at speed of 30, and just to test it out, go back into the sim and then press play. Okay, so you can see at speed of 30% how far it moved. Not very far at all, to be honest. So you can always go back into your program and adjust it. I think I didn't really cover the distance there, so let's do another distance. And then back to the simulator, press play so you can demonstrate how this works. Alright, there you have it. A really easy to use online simulator, allows your students to program the bot and also simulate it to see how it works. Lots of different features here. This is just a little introduction. I'm sure once you start exploring you'll find real big advantage in using this online simulator. Alright guys, that's enough from me for now. Please look out for my other tutorials. I'll be doing a few more on this. Thank you.